guys. So, it actually has been a minute since like we done left the house, but we were sitting in the car eating and just, you know, enjoying each other's company and talking. We are back in Chattanooga. Sorry if it's real loud. For some reason he got this door wide open. But it is tattoo day. Sean is getting the inside of his leg done today, and then there's a chant God. Why'd you slamming stuff? You see how people mistreat it when it's not theirs? We in my car, y'all. But yeah, Sean getting the inside of his leg done. I think I'm gonna get the top of my shoulder done and possibly my leg. Like a thigh tattoo done. I don't know yet. But we finna go in here and find out. And yeah, I'm probably gonna sit in here and try to edit, but at the same time, no, I do got my AirPods. I do. Okay, yeah. I'll see y'all, I guess, when we get in there. We have both got our tattoos. I got mine here. He got his. It is now 5:42. After we got tattoos, we went to go eat some food. And then we went to go see my cousin in Thailand. Then we went to go get ice cream with Thailand. And now we back here. So I'm gonna take me a shower. And then I'll come back and show y'all my tattoo like in the mirror or something like that before I lay down. Every time I get a tattoo, y'all, I'll be exhausted. So I'm gonna go to sleep after I show y'all this tattoo. But we finna hop in the shower, clean it really good with some antibacterial soap, and then put one of my little new skin thingies on, which I'll have Sean show y'all him doing that on me. And yeah, I'm finna get comfortable. So I'll see y'all after my shower. Okay, sorry. You ain't gotta stop it. Okay, hey y'all, sorry, I know y'all probably all in my face. Hopefully I don't flash y'all.
Kind of dry or something?
I might use one of these, but you wanna go grab a paper towel. Y'all, I hope I don't flash y'all. He about to put the thing on the top for me. I'm really hoping I don't flash y'all. Let me know if I do. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see. I think it's cute. It's gonna heal very nicely. Did I get all the excess ink? I was having a really hard time in the shower.
Yeah, good.
Okay. Can my camera see?
For the most part.
What you mean for the most part? Why they can't see?
Go back a little tall. Not the scissors.
He finna go grab the scissors, y'all, so he can cut it. We ended up buying our own little thing because we getting so many tattoos. I know this is awkward that we real zoomed in like this, but we getting so many tattoos that we went ahead and bought some of our own because we're not finna keep getting some from him. Thank you, boo. I'm gonna step back so I don't flash nobody, y'all. I'm gonna step back. Okay. Wait, come back, Sean. All right, y'all. So both of our tattoos are now like wrapped up and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all his. He done already put his stuff on there real quick. But I just want to talk to y'all a little bit. I would rate my tattoo like pain wise, maybe like a 1 or 2. Mine wasn't bad at all. Come here. What would you rank your tattoo?
Wait, what?
The pain.
On.
Easy. Can you come over here? I'm gonna show them your tattoo. Even though it's already patched up and stuff. Okay, y'all, keep in mind, he's already patched up, so move, booty. Move, booty. His came out real nice. Okay, I just want to come back in here and show y'all that we honestly probably gonna go to sleep. We finna take us a nap. Even though it's 6 o'clock, we finna take a nap. And then I'm gonna wake up, watch baddies, watch my nowadays TV shows, and then go back to sleep. But if we happen to do anything else, I will call y'all back. But as of right now, we done for today. Done. But all right, y'all. I'll call y'all later. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. I did not get much footage yesterday, as you all know. I didn't get much footage. So I'm gonna see how much I can get today. We are still at my mom's house. We finna drive home. Hey, boo. We actually finna get ready to go home. So I just got up. It's like 11:30. I'm tired. And we need to start packing all our stuff up. I'm gonna brush my teeth. It's the first thing I'm gonna wash my face. Okay. Oh, y'all, I have such a bad headache this morning. I'm not really sure what that's about, but I really don't know what all me and Sean have planned for today. Maybe clean up the house. The house not that bad though. But I do want to go to the IKEA. We're probably not gonna actually buy anything. They just opened the IKEA in Huntsville, and I really want to go. So maybe we'll do that. It's 12 o'clock here, meaning it's 11 o'clock at home. So we'll get there. We probably won't be out here at 11. Maybe it's already 11. Well, 12. It's gonna be 12 here. So we just gonna say we want aim to leave about 1. It'll be 12 there. We'll get there about 2. Drop Kilo off at home. Get settling stuff in. I think I'm gonna settle my stuff there. Honestly. Alright, y'all, face is washed. And honestly, if y'all watching this, my vlog has not even went up yet for this week, and it was supposed to. So I'm gonna have to literally hammer hard on editing in the car ride back because I need that video to go before 4 o'clock. I need it to. That's just what I do. My videos go up at 4 p.m. on Mondays. I'll take one of my little wipes. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go on one of these wipes. And you want to make sure your first wipe is completely like moisturized into your skin, or else like these will start to like mix together and foam up, and that's not what you want. I literally layer these.
Deodorant back here?
Mm-mm. That. Okay, and then lastly, we're gonna go in with this. Literally, a little bit of this goes such a long way, y'all. I literally just a little dab of it, and that's all you need. I don't think my Aquaphor and stuff is up there in the living room. This is literally how I'm gonna go home. Big t-shirt, and I got on sweatpants. This is literally how I plan to ride in the car. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm gonna go pack my stuff up, and then I guess I will see y'all once we get downstairs, I guess. Y'all, if I take good care of these braids, today is what, the 8th, 9th, 10th? One of those 3 days. Do y'all think these braids will last me until the 20th? I don't know. Cause we're taking like a little weekend trip down to see his family. And I kind of don't want to get my hair done again because we're going to see his family like 2 weeks before we go on our cruise. So I just feel like it's no point in getting my hair done to turn around and take it down just to go on this cruise coming up, you know? Yeah, I'm not putting no product on my edges this morning, so I'm just swooping them down with absolutely nothing. The only part I'm really like worried about is the fact that she didn't put this as like 2 braids, so it's a lot of hair right here, and I feel like it's not gonna, that part isn't gonna last, y'all. This side, I feel like it'll be fine though. I feel like I do a good job at taking care of my hair anyway, so I'm not really too worried about it. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna dry my little face thing off with one of my disposable towels so we can pack it up and take it back home. Let's do that again. Okay. All right, y'all, I'm finna go pack up and then I will see y'all in a minute. All right, you guys, we are now all packed up and in the car. We are actually at Sonic right now. Grabbing something to eat. I kind of really want some ice cream, but it is only 12:15, so I kind of feel like it's too early for ice cream. I don't know. There go y'all. There go y'all cousin Kilo. Hey buddy. Y'all, not too much on me. I know he need a haircut. The last haircut he got, it was really cold, so I told her not to take too much off of him because I didn't want him to be cold. But now it's just like it's been hot consistently, so now I need her to cut it all out. Not all down, but I need her to cut it down. So his appointment is on the 13th for him to get a haircut and stuff. So yeah, there he go, and there go my man. But yeah, y'all, we at Sonic. We ordering, finna grab some food, and then honestly I think I'm finna sit in here and edit real hard. I need to, because that video right now is nowhere near close to being done. So I need to hit it real hard this morning. Well, this afternoon. We're gonna see. I don't know. But we're finna grab our food, eat, and then hop on the road. So I'll probably just check in with y'all at some point during the road trip. If not, then I'll just check in with y'all once we get back to Huntsville. Okay, yeah, I gotta make this quick because my camera is about to die, but I think I'm gonna just switch footage over to my camera so it just won't be the same type of footage. But we have made it back to Huntsville, and now we're finna go to the new IKEA store because I've been really wanting to go. So yeah, being that my charger and stuff is acting stupid as shit, I guess I'll just see y'all at IKEA because my camera is dead and my charger won't charge the camera, so yeah. Alright, bye I guess. Okay, I like the mirror. I can see if they got some plants over there. You like this? Oh, I like the mini one. Oh, they actually have one in store of one of these. $90. No. Amazon is higher. Did you want to go over to